What's up guys, the TechSpot here with this vlog style format again. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I feel a little bit more free with this type of format as I'm not stuck in the studio, so I kind of like it. And anyways guys, in this video, I have over here something special. It's the Xbox controller mod that I've had in this drawer for quite some time. Alright, so basically, I am going to be putting this gold casing on this Xbox controller. It's a very simple thing you yourself can do. I'm gonna be walking you through, guys, all the steps, and it's gonna be fun. I can't wait. I saw some pictures online with this gold plate on the Xbox One controller, and with the light over here, when you light it up, it just looks so cool. My Xbox just turned on, so I gotta turn that off. But yeah guys, I am super excited for this video. I just could not wait, and finally we are over here modding this Xbox One controller. You can get a bunch of different face plates. They even have like wooden ones, chrome blue ones, different patterns and designs, so you can customize and make your Xbox controller exactly the way you want it to be. I personally chose this gold one, probably for the thumbnail. You know, gotta get that clickbait. Just kidding, but check out my iPhone. It's still all cracked. Yep. I'm probably just gonna wait for the iPhone 12 to come out, and I'm gonna get the smaller one because I like the smaller size more than the Max. I experimented here, and my hands are kind of big, but not big. So, okay, we're starting to veer off topic. Let's get back on topic, and let's get a little workstation to get this going. Alright, it's dark down here. It's so nice though, it's pretty cool temperature down here. This is my home gym, by the way. Kind of messy right now, but this is what I'm working with. Pretty cool stuff. These dumbbells are really cool. Thank God I got them before Corona, because now they're going up in price. These going up to 90 pounds. All I gotta do is move this like this and it changes weight. Of course, gotta do it on both sides, but yeah. Alright, GH5's having a hard time focusing, I think, because of the light, but alright, and just like that, we are in the studio. So let's go ahead and break open this bag, show you guys what I'm working with. So, whew, okay, this might be a little chrome for some people's taste, okay, but it's still gonna look really cool once I place on here, especially once that white logo lights up. It's gonna look awesome. I just want to do something a little different here. So yeah, you can choose whichever faceplate that you want. So inside this little baggie, looks like we get a little pry tool, we get a screwdriver for all the bolts, and we get some new screws, I guess, just in case we lose the screws. So what we gotta do first is, I'm guessing, turn this around, take that off, take out the batteries, and we gotta take this paper out of here. So I'm gonna first try to use my nails. These videos are fun because it's my first time doing this as well too, so it's like really cool. I gotta do something different. And okay, so there we go. That's what voids your warranty. All right, so let's go put that to the side, and now we got a screw right there. So I'm gonna take my screwdriver and take that out. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. All right, here's coming out. So the screwdriver and everything usually comes with the kit because it is kind of proprietary. If I show you guys, like I can see, it's like kind of different type of screw, which is pretty weird, but yeah, basically out. Let me go and put it in a safe spot. Okay, now we do have to take off the little pieces right here on the side. Should be pretty easy to do. I've done it before, so I think. Okay, so this tool that they gave doesn't seem to be working well. It's pretty thick, so I recommend using a flathead screwdriver or even a butter knife if you have one, but just be careful. So you kind of just want to go in and then open the clip. You guys will hear a click. There you go. And then you want to go further down, and then you want to do the same thing over and over again until you get all the way around the grip. So, and then once the outer side is loosened up, I hope I don't stab myself again, but you'd have to apply some pressure to get it off. So don't be scared to put too much, but now I think, oh, there you go, boom. It's like that, it pops off. And I don't think I broke anything. Had a satisfying click. Here's the piece that's fell down. Okay, so you guys can see all the clips are still intact. So yeah, this is the grip, and we do have to take this off because there are some more screws in there that we gotta take out. So let's go take out this other side first too. So again, let's go on the outer side. And my controller looks green, by the way, because of that green screen. So there's a green screen over there. So yeah, it's not actually green. It's actually more like this, which is cool. Kind of reflective of the colors around it, which is pretty cool too. All right, anyways. So there you go. Keep on holding it up. Boom. Again, you have to apply some pressure kind of up and out. And now it's going to loosen up some more from the other sides. before we go ahead and rip it open. Cool. And I think it's sticking off my hand now. Boom, there it is. Okay, cool. So yeah, you do have to apply some force. Don't be scared, but just try not to break it. And there we go. So now it's time to get that screwdriver. It's time to take out this screw right here. There's another one right there, and another one right there, and again, same place right here. So just gonna screw those real quick. So I'm gonna start with this one. Yeah, this thing is kind of nasty from the inside. I think my brother's been eating some Cheetos or something. Maybe it was me. All right, but anyways, let's go ahead and just loosen these bolts. It's a pretty easy mod to do. I would say it's not that difficult. You just got to put a little bit of force. I know it is kind of scary taking apart your Xbox controller, but you're not completely taking it apart at least. All right, so second screw. Now for that one. There we go. We got two more on the other side. Now for this last one, make sure that you hold your controller together because otherwise it'll fall apart with this last screw missing. And so yeah, this is where we actually put on the new plate. So it's as simple as that. Cool. So there you go. All of them are out, all four. So now we're good to go on that part. And I must say, I do love the white faceplate edition of the Xbox One controller. However, I just want to try something new, so that's why I got this. And again, you can get any one that you want. This one, I'll leave an Amazon link down below in the description. And yeah, I'll also leave how much I paid for it right over here, as I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I remember it was pretty cheap. So yeah. All right, so now just keep your controller stable. Take off the faceplate. Boom, there it is. Simple as that. Look at that. And that's what the inside of an Xbox controller looks like. Now, again, keep it stable as the buttons might fall loose if you don't. And yeah, so there's the vibration motor right there on both sides. You even got, I can kind of see the motor in here and the triggers, which is cool. You got the control sticks and all the buttons. And around the Xbox logo, it's actually black, which I thought was interesting. And yeah, so still works. Anyways, let's go put the new faceplate on, just like so. Oh my god. Hoo-wee! Okay, that looks so cool. Oh my god, completely changed the Xbox controller. So white with gold. I think this would work better with a black controller, but this still looks very, very cool. Oh my god, that's awesome. Okay, so once you are satisfied with that, that's basically what the controller is gonna look like. But tell me not, that just looks so sleek. I can't wait to play with this. But yeah, let's go and put these screws back on first. So one right there, one right there, one right there, and one right there. Let's get to it. Okay, so now it's gonna put these back on finally. So this one snaps right into place very, very easily. And this part right here too. So, boom. And look at this, guys. Anyways, then you put that screw back in the back over here. Cool. And let's put our warranty back on too. Why not, right? So I'm just gonna stick it right back on there like we didn't even do a mod to it. I'm pretty sure Microsoft won't be able to tell. And I'm not even sure if that voids your warranty, but I'm curious. Okay, so, and just like the original Xbox One, Microsoft used the sticker to void warranties, a practice that is against federal law. The warranty language in the sticker itself violates the MMWA. Okay, this goes like way, okay, illegal warranty void if removed sticker. So you cannot remove the stickers. So warranty, all right, I got my warranty back though, okay? All right, if I put back the original faceplate, I'll have my warranty back, just like restoring an Apple product. But anyways, now we've got to put our batteries back in. Gotta recommend rechargeables for this Xbox One controller, as we don't have a battery pack in here. Even in the new Xbox Series X, we don't have a rechargeable battery pack, which is kind of a bummer. But yeah, just cop some rechargeable batteries, save you the hassle. All right, cool. So there is the finished product, and there is the white faceplate. So yeah, which one do you guys like more? Again, there are even more. You can get a wooden faceplate, you can get a blue one, you can get a camo one, whatever you want. Okay, it's probably available on Amazon. Also, look like I didn't need the black screws. I didn't lose any screws from this controller, so we are basically good. Let me just go put all the stuff back in here, and we're good to go. Whew. Okay, look at that controller. That is really, really cool. Mom, what do you think?
Good.
So if I hold the Xbox, boom. Okay, and it's about to rain outside again, looks like, but that's a good thing because it's been hot, but a bad thing because I need to mow the lawn. All right, anyways, I want to show my brother this, so I'm gonna, okay, that's so cool. That is really cool. He's not here. That's weird. He's usually always here. All right, guys, but it's starting to get pretty windy out, which is nice because it was just super hot. I was sweating putting this controller together, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed this controller mod. I'm probably gonna be getting some more faceplates because I have so many more controllers. Actually, not so many, like 1, 2 more, and this would look really cool. So yeah, you can do any faceplate that you want. I've got so many more exciting videos coming. If you guys have any video recommendations that you want to see here on the channel, leave them down below in the comments. And as always, this is TechSpot, and peace.